Hi everyone. In this video we're going to start talking about printing techniques, and I think in this video I'm just going to try to keep it short and show you how to set up the apparatus, so to speak, and then in a second video I'll talk about the print document. Really, the print document is the most involved thing in this process. This part should be pretty easy. I put a button on the form here, and now I'm going to grab my printing objects, and basically, I'm in the toolbox here. I'm going to go down to the printing category and expand that. Do you see me over here? And you're always going to grab two things from this category. First, the print preview dialog. I'm going to drop that on my form. This is the kind of control that the user never needs to see or interact with, and so it's going to go into the component tray. This is called the component tray down here. These are for controls that belong to the form but don't need to be on the form. So that'll come up for us time to time, especially in C# too. But and then the second object I'm going to grab is the print document. So I have print preview dialog 1 and print document 1. So basically, print preview dialog is going to launch the window in which the print document is shown. And then the print document, you can think of that as like a piece of paper or like a canvas where you're going to set up all your text and your fonts and pictures and whatnot. So for this technique, what you have to do, so we have these two controls, the dialog and the document. Right now, they don't know about each other, and we have to write a couple of lines of code, well, one line of code to kind of connect them together, and then we'll also write a line of code that'll launch the dialog, so at least you can see the dialog. So I'm going to double click my print preview button. Okay, and so here I'm going to say, what is it? Print preview dialog. There we go. My computer is running slowly. It's doing some kind of process in the background. But print preview dialog 1 dot document. Okay, I'm going to set the document property of the dialog to my print document 1, that other object that is in the component tray. That's it. So now I've introduced those two objects to one another. I've connected them, and now we're home free. All we have to do is launch that dialog. So I'm going to say print preview dialog 1 dot show. Okay, that's it. I'm just going, you know what, I'll leave it there, and I'm going to run the program real quickly. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to click on the print preview button. And this is my print preview dialog. It's really tiny, obviously, but there it is. You've all seen this before. And here is the document, the print document. So in the next video, we'll set up the document so it actually has some text and some graphics.